Hey everybody, Tom Berry here with ILS Legacy Holdings, and I've got a quick market update for you on the real estate market. Hey everybody, I wanted to share an article I just recently read today in Bloomberg, and the article talked about what if we're not going to see interest rate drops in the near future? What if we're actually going to see more hikes? Now that one of course got my attention, but if you've been following me for any length of time, you know I've been saying for at least a year since these interest rates started rising that I don't think we're going to see drops in interest rate anytime soon. In fact, last year, first part to mid part of the year, most people thought that by the end of 2023 we would have already seen one decrease in rates, and we did not. I kept saying at that time, we're not going to see it then, and in fact, I don't think we're going to see any decrease in rates for the first half of 2024, if we see any at all in 2024. And I still hold to that. Now, I know the market has been pricing in 6 decreases for 2024. They're now pricing in 3 decreases for 2024. What is happening is the market is starting to see inflation is stickier than they thought. It's way stickier. We saw the Consumer Price Index come out, we saw the PPP come out, and we are seeing prices aren't falling. They are not falling back down to that Fed target of 2%. In fact, a lot of things are at 3 and 4%, and food is at 4 and 5%, depending on which category we look at. Now, I'm not standing here saying that I think rates are going to continue to go up, but I am going to hold to the fact that I don't think they're going to fall anytime soon. Larry Summers, one of the leading economists in the United States, former Treasury Secretary and World Bank leader, places future hikes at a 15% chance this year. Mark Nash of Jupiter Fund, he puts it at 20%. I'm not saying I agree with these two guys, but they know a lot. They study even more than I do, and they're placing at least a small chance today at future hikes. Even if we don't have future hikes, I think there is a strong probability we are not going to see rate decreases anytime soon. So what does that mean? It just means build your business around current environment and build your business with the possibility that we're going to see elevated rates for quite some time. That doesn't make it hard, it just makes it real. A lot of real estate investors are sitting back waiting for rates to drop. They're waiting for rates to come down before they buy something. They're waiting for rates to come down before they invest passively in something. And quite frankly, there are a lot of people out there that are waiting for rates to drop to be able to put something on the market and sell and get their equity so they can move it to another deal. The velocity of money is what makes money. Doing deals is where it's at. Now, obviously, the fundamentals have to be there, the numbers have to work, the math has to add up. But if you look at where we are today and you say, hey, what if rates stayed here for the next 10 years? What could I still do? What deals could I still do that are still going to make me money? Because you don't want your money sitting on the sideline making nothing. We know inflation is going to eat it away there, but you still don't want to do stupid deals. But there is an in-between. There's an in-between where you say, what could I do today that makes sense, still makes me money, and even if rates remain elevated, I'm going to do well. And one of those places is lending. At ILS Capital, we do multiple funds that invest in notes, and notes pay well in an elevated interest environment. We get to charge more, and our investors, they get to make more. So take a look at where things are, not where you wish they were, and you'll be way ahead of the pack. Hope that's helpful for you, and see you on the next video. Here at ILS Legacy Holdings, we are dedicated and committed to helping you plan your path to wealth as an active or passive real estate investor. Visit ilslegacy.com to see how our companies bring investors together to help meet their financial goals.